Everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of jump button on the application of Indeed job search. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will go here to Indeed job search. In this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then you click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.